Hey everybody, today I'm doing my room tour 2020. Okay, so I always redo my room around this time of year just because it's always fun to get a fresh start for the new year, so welcome to my room. So basically, if you haven't seen last year's video and you want to see like a real transformation for my room, you can go watch it, it'll be linked in the description. But yeah, I'm super proud of my room. I always spend a lot of time redecorating it and just making it exactly how I want it because it's really going to be my creative space and where I do everything, so I want it to give off good vibes. Let's start here. We have my bed. It's the same bedding as last year just because white is really simple and easy to change. You can change anything else and you don't have to change the bedding. And this wall, which used to have a whole bunch of old Polaroids and then at one point like HP Sprocket pictures that I printed out, and now it has this thing. I got this for Christmas and I just kind of like put some stuff on it that was in my room. I also hung up the leaves in a different spot than before, so I kind of wanted them to drape like real vines would. I don't really know if that's what real vines look like. Despite popular belief, they do sell the signs at Brandy Melville. I think it was like 30 bucks, but it's really nice actually, and I'm surprised it's staying on the wall somehow, but we're not going to even touch it. All of my poetry books that used to be on that desk before are now here, along with a memory book that I made. I've been really into journaling, so I have one for like my Bible study, and I have one for all of my memories and all the old pictures that used to be here. A few of these pictures also are the same pack as this on the wall, and I just took some of my favorites and put them there. And yeah, so speaking of the wall, there is 150 pictures on this wall and that wall, and this is all a Teza collection. This is called the City Pack. Originally I had the Coastal kit. It was really cute and it used to be on my vibe, but I've recently changed my style a lot. So this is definitely more me for sure. They're actually pretty good for the quality, like the pricing range. It's about $89, but for how many pictures you're getting and the fact that they're really not falling apart at all is super good, and I personally think it's worth it if you have the money to spend. This desk has entirely changed. I got this record player for Christmas last year, and it used to be over there, which is just a really awkward place for it to go. So I decided to put it here so it kind of have its own table along with some other things. Let's move over here. For Christmas, I think I showed it in my video that I got this scarf from Glossier. I wouldn't wear it. It looks so cute on other people, but I wouldn't wear it, so I decided I wanted it on my wall instead. And along with some other cute little things that used to be in my room, I really just did a lot of rearranging overall. And hung up my fluffy coats because these are like my prized possession. I love my fluffy coats with all of my heart. And then all the other like Kanken bags and stuff. And just a few things from my closet go here that just won't fit anymore because I have a shopping addiction. And that's where all of my money goes. So pretty much. In the future I might take these curtains down just because I feel like I don't really like love them anymore. For right now they're still there. This desk is completely different. I have this mirror that I do my makeup in just because it can really like zoom in. It's really good for doing makeup, and I like to sit in front of natural light when I do that just because it makes it much easier. All of my makeup here, as you can see, that's another big place all of my money goes. You come over here, I did this sign with my dad. Well, really, he did it, but and it just turns on and it's blue, and all of my albums. I don't really play these a lot just because it's much easier to Bluetooth my phone to the Crossley, but it is still there for decoration. It's still really cute, and this is where all my mirror selfies occur here on this mirror. Yeah. And this is my overflowing closet, and I just kind of hang up all of my glasses here. This isn't really decorated, it hasn't really changed since last time, but I have this makeup divider just because I have all this old makeup that I don't wear every day, but sometimes I do go and use these things, except these. I love my Glossier Velvet.coms. Just a few random things. My scrunchies was really big on that in the beginning of the year, not so much after the vsco girl thing happened. And this is pretty much this mirror. Pretty much my room has not changed a lot besides the pictures, except one other thing that really changes the whole entire vibe of this room. So we're gonna turn off the light, and I'm actually gonna close these windows. It's gonna get a little dark. And then, of course, we had to get the TikTok vibe lights just because I love these. I am also kind of addicted to TikTok now. These lights are just really fun. Me and my dad really struggled doing this. It took many tries and about 2 weeks. I don't know how people got them up so easy, but I'm just so happy with these. They turn out so good. You can change the vibe of this room, like, to anything you want. I'm just gonna feel like a TikTok e-boy really quick. Hello. But seriously, they change to any color you want them to be. I personally like purple. I just think it gives off a good vibe. But sometimes we like to have a seizure. It's just a party in here. And kind of do like crazy stuff like that. It's just really vibes, you know? That's it for my room tour. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you want to go see a transformation, you can click the link in the description to last year's video of my room tour and see how much my style really has changed. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys later. Bye!